Hey everyone, hi, how are you doing? Mko salama, welcome all to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Silver Raimo and Happy New Year 2025. Finally we are in a new year and it's gonna be fine, it's gonna be well. So I'm finally here again. Yeah, I haven't been posting for a while, I've been so busy and here I am again. We've been doing a lot of constructions here and there. It has been a busy month or a busy week for me and finally I'm here again. Yeah, so guys, we are in a road to 1,000 subscribers and currently we are somewhere. So far so good, we're doing amazing. So yeah, it's around 5 p.m. in the evening. I want to show you what happens here in the evening. Have a walk around the compound, have a look at what is happening. Yeah, it shall be an amazing vlog. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly consider subscribing, like, share, comment. Yeah, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, welcome to my channel. Let's have fun, let's vibe together, let's enjoy this moment because why not? We have to do it. Yeah, happy new year once more. I'm still in the countryside because there's a lot happening, so I'm here. I love how calm the weather is right now. You see, I think it might rain in the evening or at night. It has been a while since Inyeshe, so we're expecting some rains today. Yeah, but right now it's not raining. Yesterday haikunyesha. So that's how we are. I do enjoy vlogging, like it's part of what I love doing. Despite that it's a bit difficult vlogging sometimes, I still try to do it regardless of the situations or yeah. I must share something with you, show you what's going on. Yeah. Niko content. Kuna content ya mind. enjoy walking around the compound or the place in the evening. It's a bit therapeutic. It's so calming. Yeah, though we have a road there, so you can see some cars going. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear some sounds from my background. So we have a road going there. Yeah. So let's keep going. Let's keep going. So this is how our gates look like in the village. So this is where we pass through and then to this other house. So we go this way. Yeah. So these ones are cypress that have been planted for fence. Yeah, they're just cypress with some few bougainvillea. Yeah. I know it will make a good fence when they finally grow. This is how it looks. So the place is still under construction. That's why you can see a lot of stones and all that. Yeah, that's how it looks like. So good. So the forest there, that is not a forest. That is the what do you call, the traditional way of fencing. So you can see that it's all way down. That's not forest. It's fencing. Yeah. So this place is under construction. Then you have this beautiful house. Yeah. If you've seen my videos, I've made something with this place. So I did an house tour of this house sometimes back. Yeah, I did. So here you have some grass which are being planted. So we are praying that it rains because watering this place is hectic and we are not used to doing that. So we are just hoping for rain. So that's how the house looks like. I'll give you a house tour when the house is finally completed and see how houses are built here. So this is still the fencing with some cypress, and there is this plant here. I do love flowers. So this is a flower. This basically how this place looks like. It's actually my brother's house. So it's so cute. And here we have this tank. Yeah, this is a tank which collects the water from the rain. As I told you that this place is under construction, that's why you can see a lot of mbao, you can see a lot of timber all over. It's because it's under construction. Uh, this this was constructed juicy, and I like how the place really looks like. It's so green. Yeah. um, so we're going to the next farm and see what's around there. I told you in the evening I just stroll around and see what's in the compound. Yeah. There is these plant flowers. I told you guys that I do love flowers so much. Yeah, so that's how this look like. I'll give you a full house tour of this house when I get time. Yeah, I'm sure that you love it. So at this point, let me know something. Drop a comment. Yeah, these are also some flowers. Wow, it's been a minute since I came to this place, and yo, everything is well grown. So here we have some potatoes, and here we have some beans. These potatoes. Previously, some potatoes was planted in this place. So as you know, next we have some peas. I really don't know how to photograph, but at least I'm trying because I'm vlogging myself. Help this way. Yeah, it's trying. This is how this looks like. And then you have the grown potato. This how this farm looks like, the potato farm. It's a small portion of land, but it is good. Yeah, I do love potatoes because with potatoes you can make a lot of recipe with it. Yeah, and then on this end we have some maize. Hmm, Yeah, you have some maize plants here. So this is all about this farm. On this other end, we have the grown maize. Hmm, These are the farm. These are ready for eating. Zimekauka hadi kama hii ni mbegu gani? You guys do know this thing? Hii ni ile kitu inashika watu mguu. Yeah. And this the plantation. This how it looks like. So mm. So guys, bye bye. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for watching my video till this part. I promise you that I'll be posting a lot of videos this week and I'll be consistent. So bye bye. See you in the next vlog. Bye.